What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is how to instantly get a 5-star wanted level. If you don't get that title, that's like from GTA. Okay, let's get into the video, man. Let's see what they talking about. Let's see what's going on.
What's your name?
I don't really have to give you that information.
Actually, you do have to give him that information,
Actually, I don't,
mister.
'cause I didn't do nothing.
If you don't identify yourself, you're going to go to jail. I'm going to identify you there. Do you understand?
Okay, well, it's Bobby.
You understand?
Yes, sir, it's Bobby.
And give him
I
your
don't have a
information.
problem, it's Bobby. What's your date of birth? I don't got no problem, but I got to stop you.
Because right now you're detained.
Why?
We got a report you've been jumping in and out of traffic.
That's bullshit. That's bullshit. I fell off the curb. I fell off the curb.
Oh, he took flight on them boys. He took flight on them boys. Oh, it's over.
I've got him right here. He's in the Summit parking lot.
He walking, he think he got away?
Miss, you're going to get tased. He's headed toward the Blitz pig.
My boy too big to be running. He gonna get in that car.
Christmas match ball.
He's in where?
He's in the dressing room.
Okay. Is there a back entrance? Police department! Checking the back. Did he run down this way?
No.
Okay. I'll check here real quick.
Clear here.
Supervisor within.
He's probably in here. Open the door.
He's... Let me get a key. Or do you have a knife? Hey.
Hey, do you have keys in this bathroom? I'm changing clothes.
Ran from us.
Sir, who's that?
Hey, it's the police department.
I'm changing clothes, sir.
Okay, well, we're going to have to come in if you don't come out.
What is going on?
Hey, we just want to come talk to you, okay?
No, I'm changing clothes.
Hey.
I'm in here.
No, you just need to come talk to us real quick.
Come out.
Who?
It's just like you may have to break it open.
Who?
Hey, we just want to come talk to you, okay? You need to step out.
Why doesn't anybody that works there have a key? They talking about you probably gonna have to break it open. What? Nobody has a key? That's absolutely ridiculous. And he's an idiot anyways, because why would you at least stay out in the open? You know what I'm saying? Like run like out in the open, like, you know what I mean? And then like try to maneuver somewhere. You went into an establishment and everybody seen you go into the establishment. You trapped yourself right there. Like come on, man. You suck at being a criminal, like, honestly.
Okay? Hey, I'm Officer Perry with the Hot Springs Police Department. I need you to come out here, okay?
Okay, I'm Officer with Heidi.
Well, hey, officer. You come out here and talk to me, okay?
Sir, I've been trafficked.
Okay, well, listen.
I'm with Heidi.
You're under arrest, police department.
I'm with Heidi. Hey, it's illegal.
Oh yeah, they gonna get them together, boy.
I'm talking to Sergeant Heidi.
Oh, they getting them together, boy. All you hear is thunk, thunk, thunk. Oh, thunk, thunk, thunk. You don't want to act right, boy. You don't want to act right, boy. They gonna get you together.
Police department.
I'm with Heidi. Hey, it's illegal. That's illegal.
Put your hands behind you.
I'm talking to Sergeant Heidi.
Here's one.
I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi. I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi. I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi, sir.
I will be talking to Sergeant Heidi.
Okay.
I have been traffic, sir.
Congratulations. You good? Everyone good?
I will be talking to Sergeant Heidi, sir.
You ready to get up?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi. I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi. I have been sex trafficked. I have been sex trafficked.
Which unit?
This was
What's
mine.
wrong with you anyway? What is wrong with y'all anyway?
You want to do another pat down?
That's fine. Do a pat down.
Good on that side.
You ain't gonna find shit. I've been traffic. I'm under the program. No, my bad. I didn't spit on you. I mean to spit on you. But look, I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi, bro. I'll be talking to Sergeant Heidi.
You all right?
Yeah, I ate it a little bit. But I rolled good.
Did we ever find out who the he was? I heard you getting ready to run on him. I didn't know if it...
Bobby on something. He says his name's Bobby. I don't
But he
believe
couldn't
that.
come up with his name or day of birth or nothing like that.
You mind going in there?
Yeah.
With the camera, take pictures?
Yeah. He's beating his head.
What's your name?
I've been traffic. I'm with Sergeant Heidi
Okay, what's your name?
and Atiana.
Well, we had to break a door to get into them. They didn't have a key.
Okay, what's your birthday?
I've been traffic. Do you hear me?
I hear you.
I'm willing to give y'all names.
Okay, well, I gotta identify you first.
No, I'm serious. I'm dead
And
ass.
I'm dead ass serious too.
Please, sir, please. I've been working against these people that have been taking girls, bro.
Okay, who are you?
I'm telling, but they've been taking girls. You hear me? You hear me? But they've been taking girls, and I'm worried about these girls. These girls are my sisters. Do you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I'm trying to see if he dropped anything. Drop that.
I mean, it's not a whole lot of damage.
Got Tyler driver's license suspended. Failed to appear public intox, no bond warrant out of our department. Also shows to have made threats to harm law enforcement and is aggressive towards law enforcement in the past.
Really?
No.
Yeah, I'd say that's affirmative.
Sir, I can't be no more serious. These people been taking girls, bro.
Okay. If you were serious with helping us, you wouldn't have run off. You ran off because you had a failure to appear.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course.
But no, I'm willing to help you regardless. Do you understand that? I'm willing to help you regardless.
Okay, well, you can start by not calling me names. How about
I
that?
will give you names.
Okay, you can give the detective names. You can start by being civil to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When all you've done is lie and ran from me.
Because I was scared.
Yep.
I am scared. What the I've never been in trouble before.
Yeah, that's why you missed your court date.
Because I've never been in trouble before.
Having a court date implies that you were in trouble before.
Because I didn't want to get in trouble.
That makes about as much sense as saying I didn't want to cut myself, so I played with knives. Do you understand?
Because I didn't want to get in trouble, bro.
Let me get pictures of that.
173. 173 off duty, 501 crime.
You and your ass. You ugly, bald-headed white. I got names for you. I'll become a snitch. Oh God, I'll become a snitch.
I believe you. You don't have to keep repeating.
I'll become a snitch. Tell me what you want to know. I'll let you know it.
There we go.
You need last name?
Right here to God, I will snitch.
Is that a hobble? It's his head he's banging, not his feet. Yeah. Oh. Just go ahead and get his stupid ass out to the jail. Have the jail nurse staff give you a Band-Aid. Check your shoulder if they need to, whatever.
I will snitch on all the plugs.
Stop yelling.
Whenever you get back up here.
Sir, I got kids, please. I will give you names, sir. Sir, please answer.
You, my friend, should not be doing no reproducing, okay? Just saying.
Okay, I'll let the detectives know, man.
Please.
I will let the detectives know.
I've been trying to do good here.
17157, I'll go check it out.
Please. Why don't you understand that?
I do understand. I told you I'd tell the detective.
Sir,
I can hear it.
stop driving mom in the back seat like this before I charge you.
Okay.
I am.
If you want more charges, go ahead.
Hey, Hey, we're gonna stop slinging here behind the goddamn car. We're gonna get charged, you ugly ass black cracker. You're gonna get charged much.
One of them said he's banging his head. I'm gonna get to jail.
You. Stupid. You treat me like shit.
Let him know he's spitting.
I wanted to give you information. You treat me like shit. I wanted to give you information on everything. I know a lot about the sex trafficking.
I'm a patrol guy. That's all I am. Detectives are the one that takes the information and busts people. Understand?
Yes, sir. I've just been wanting to become a cop, man. And only because of the sex trafficking. Please be careful. I'm sliding.
I know it.
Stop slapping my head.
Listen to me.
Please stop slapping my head, please.
Listen to me.
Please, I'm begging you. Please stop.
Stop what?
Stop banging my head around.
I'm not banging your head around.
Yes, you are.
Dude, we're driving straight.
Stop myself.
We're driving straight, dude.
Yeah, but you're driving aggressive.
Get a grip, dude.
You're driving aggressive.
Grow up.
Otherwise, my head wouldn't be slinging across the car.
That is why we're driving aggressive, to get you to the jail, because you don't know how to behave. If you knew how to behave, we wouldn't have had to come over here
I'm
fast.
trying to help you out.
You know, at this point, I don't care. Shut up.
Fuck you.
Cool. I will charge you with everything I can charge, Bubba.
I don't care.
You will not see the outside of a jail for a while.
Either way it goes, I'm trying to help you out.
I ain't talking to nobody. Shut up.
Either way it goes, I'm trying to help you out.
I don't care.
I asked you politely, sir. I asked you politely.
I heard you the first 17
Okay.
He's on this side.
Be polite, I'll be polite. Look, I know a lot about trafficking, okay?
Now, if police need you to identify yourself, it's usually for a good reason. Hey everyone, I'm John and I appreciate you watching. Now let me say this, no one wants to be stopped or investigated by police. However, if police are called to a location to investigate or they observe suspicious or criminal activity, police can investigate. All they need is reasonable suspicion. Now thinking back, me and my partner responded to a burglar alarm in a sneaker store on the night shift. It was about 5 a.m. when the call came out. So of course the store is closed. We pull up on Torresdale Avenue, and as soon as me and my partner and the sergeant walk up, we notice that the gate to the property was forced open. So instinctively, I go around to the rear of the property, and at first I saw nothing. But then my instincts told me to hide.
Damn, I feel like he looking into my soul. Like, god damn, brother. Like, god damn, your eye contact with the camera is serious. Like, oh, golly, brother. What god damn, brother.
The bushes, so I hid and waited, lowering my police radio, and sure enough, a male peeked over the wall of the rear of the sneaker store, hopped over, and attempted to run. So I identified myself and quickly apprehended the male because, of course, he and some other males who were apprehended in the front of the store by my partner and my sergeant broke into the store to steal sneakers. When I testified in court, the totality of the circumstances and my articulation proved that he broke into the store and was trying to escape. Now, my point of the story is I stopped, investigated, and identified the male as one of the burglars, so he was arrested. Now, with this case at a Hot Springs Police Department in Arkansas, police respond to a call of a male jumping in and out of traffic. So they locate and attempt to stop the male, and it turns into a foot pursuit. The male runs into a spa and attempts to hide from the officers. Now, the officers had to literally force one of the interior doors open to apprehend the male, but they did a great job at clearing and searching the spot safely, and hopefully the suspect gets some help, because jumping in and out of traffic is not normal behavior. And a lot of people like this get arrested and they end up right back on the street because jail is only a temporary fix. Now, touching a little bit on pedestrian stops, if you've ever been stopped by law enforcement, it can be a confusing experience. However, pedestrian stops are a necessary tool for law enforcement to ensure public safety. Now, sometimes the stops do raise questions about your rights and community trust, so it's important to know that you do have rights during these encounters. Now, if you choose, you can calmly and respectfully ask if you're being detained and if you're free to go. But remember, staying calm and respectful to the officers can help de-escalate the situation, because ultimately pedestrian stops contribute to a safer environment for everyone. That's all I have for today, guys. Remember to be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Tyler was charged with fleeing on foot, resisting arrest, criminal trespass, and obstructing. He is innocent unless proven guilty.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.